Well, it's hard to believe. The weekend is upon us already.
Yeah, and we're getting ready to turn over the calendar. March is going out like a lamb, our own lion. Michael Bruno is here with his Bruno's Best Picks for the weekend.
Hello, Michael.
Hi, Mark and Susan. Yes, your lion in winter is here. Another lamb of spring.
So what's first on the list this week?
Well, the warmest month of March on record for Wisconsin comes to a close this weekend, and there's still some hot tickets to be had all over town. First up tonight at the Overture Center is where you're going to find me at Simply Barbara. Take a look.
Barbra Streisand's in town?
Really?
Well, not really. It's Barbra Streisand light. It's actually Steven Brinberg. And Steven Brinberg, if you really want a good fix of Babs that can't afford tickets to Las Vegas, you're in luck. Mr. Brinberg brings Babs to the Capitol Theater for a one-night-only concert tonight at 8. Papa, can you hear me?
Oh, well done. Babs, eat your heart out.
That's right. She's going to be spinning around Bel Air tonight.
So what else is on stage this weekend?
Well, Stage Q presents This Beautiful City, directed by Laura Yatea and directed by the talented Jacob Abley. This docu-musical tells the story of the citizens of Colorado Springs, Colorado, the epicenter of American Christian evangelicalism. Interviews included members of the New Life Church, a megachurch that was founded in 1984 by preacher Ted Haggard, as well as the liberal citizens who opposed the normative evangelical lifestyle. It was written by Steve Costin and Jim Lewis from hundreds of hours of interviews with music and lyrics by Michael Friedman. This Beautiful City opens this weekend and runs through April 14th. Go to stageq.com for tickets and more info.
A little song, a little dance, a little controversy. What more could you want?
Well, how about roller derby? Yes, Mark, this tsunami and earthquake will cheer on the Mad City rolling down to the Dane County Coliseum this Saturday night.
Look at you two. Who knew?
It's a side of me you've never seen.
I don't think we want to see it.
Sue is a skater you want to be reckoned with. All proceeds go to help Badger Childhood Cancer Network. Doors open at 5 and action starts at 6.
Eartha, good job.
So it's a full weekend, something for everybody.
It is a full weekend. There's one last event I need to tell you about, and it's happening this Sunday. The News Hounds at I will be starring in a one-night-only dinner theater performance of Animal Farm the Musical.
Really?
Yes, in the rotunda of the state capitol. Tickets are now on sale.
Shut up. April Fools?
April Fool.
Yes, April Fool. You got me.
Have a great
You
weekend.
had me. I could totally see it.
It could happen.
It could happen.
We could sell tickets.
Have a good weekend.
Speaking of the News Hounds, they're coming up next.